On 202, and I'm getting a hydro massage. This is a different one, and it started. I was supposed to push this blue button to get it started, but they started it for me. So okay, so here it is. It's asking me what area I want massaged. So, and this is the speed. If you want massage, there's your time. And this is the pressure right here. So, I turn the pressure up. It goes up to 10. So it goes all the way down to your legs. Comes all the way up. And it does the whole thing all the way up your back. So, I'm going to let it do my whole body at pressure number 8. So, here it comes. So, there that is. That feels pretty good. Like I said, so here's a timer. Pressure, speed, tells you where out on your body that you're getting massaged. And here's some, so total body treatment, stress shoulder tension, back pain, sore and tired legs. That's cool. Main control. So here's your main control, the profile massage, muscle. So it shows you what muscles to work on, or that it will, if you push these, it'll go to that muscle. So that's pretty dope. You can make up your own design, however you want it. Stop, start. So you can make your own design. That's cool. Back to main controls. So this is pretty much putting your own spin on it. So down here, you got your, if I want to read a book, you want to see a video or something like that, there's that. So that's pretty cool. So it's going to show a video. So that's pretty cool. It's a nice relaxing video. It's pretty dope. Oh, okay, I stopped it on accident. Resume. Now I resumed it, so you can stop and resume it. That's pretty cool. And it went right back to my time, pressure, where out on my body, speed. Same thing, doesn't change. So that's pretty dope. Go back here, back to your video. Or if you want to plug in and listen to some music, different type